again, welcome back to Tarlaqueño Traveler Plus, where we talk about travel, lifestyle, food, and design. For today's video, we will be unboxing my 6.6 purchase from Shopee, which is the DJI OSMO Action camera. Before we proceed any further, I would like to request you to please subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga upcoming videos dito sa channel. Alright, as I mentioned kanina, mag-unbox tayo ngayon nung latest purchase ko from Shopee, which I got during the 6.6 sale. And that is the DJI OSMO Action camera. So, eto siya. Dumating siya sa bahay after mga, I think, 4 or 5 days. So, I got this camera from the official DJI Philippines na shop sa Shopee. And one of the requirements para makapag-refund ka or ma-replace yung item in case defective siya is to do an unboxing video. So, kumbaga dual purpose tong unboxing video natin para ma-feature ko sa inyo itong purchase ko and at the same time, kung sakali, magamit ko siya for my refund or replacement claims. So, ayan. Sabi nila, kailangan ko daw pakita lahat ng corners na sealed nga siya. I think that's a difficulty with shopping for mga gadgets, mga mamahaling stuff from online kasi yun nga, hindi mahirap ma-ensure yung quality ng product pagdating sa'yo. Kung okay ba siya or baka mamaya may defect along the way. So, ayan. So, napakita ko na yung box. Sealed naman siya on all sides. And let's now unbox it. There. Okay, so itong camera na nabili ko is actually a refurbished unit. So hindi siya brand new. So ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng refurbished unit? So according to the DJI website, DJI certified refurbished products are pre-owned DJI products that undergo DJI's stringent refurbishment process before being offered for sale. While only some units are returned due to technical issues, before they put a DJI certified refurbished product up for sale, it undergoes a rigorous process to make sure it meets DJI's high standards. Each DJI certified refurbished product undergoes full functionality testing where any defective modules are replaced. It's put through a thorough cleaning and inspection process. It's repackaged, including appropriate manuals, parts, and new boxes. Is placed into a final quality assurance inspection before being offered for sale. Undergoes the same basic testing procedures and are assessed with the same technical guidelines as new DJI products and may have slight signs of wear such as minor scratches. Returns due to aesthetic conditions that do not affect the product performance are not accepted. So there you go. Ayan. So ina-assure naman ni DJI that the refurbished product that you're getting has the same quality and pass the same standards as brand new ones. Ayan, as you can see, it's sealed, good as brand new. So meron siyang plastic seal sa labas. There you go. Ayan. So, buksan natin. So why did I go for a refurbished product? Unang-una is yung savings. Ang current market price sa Philippines ng OSMO Action Cam is around 13,990. But I got this product nung 6.6 sale for 8,600. Tapos nasa 40 pesos lang yung shipping fee. So that's around 40% in savings, diba? Considering na, yun nga, they assure you that you get the same quality, malaking bagay yung 40% na discount. And aside from that, so why did I go for a refurbished product? So, maliban sa savings, actually yung drone na meron ako, I've been using it for almost 2 years now. It's also a DJI refurbished product. And so far, it works fine naman and I have no problems with it. So, para sa akin, walang problema if kumuha ko ng isa pang refurbished product from DJI. Also, wala rin namang guarantee kapag bumili ka ng brand new na defect-free siya. As a matter of fact, when I bought my first action cam way back, it was a... Ang hirap buksan ito It was a GoPro. And nagamit ko siya for less than a month. And it was actually defective. So they had to replace the unit with a new one. Kasi hindi talaga magamit yung unit na nabigay sa akin. So, yun. Walang guarantee, walang assurance that pag brand new yung binili mo, makakakuha ka ng perfect na product. So, kumbaga lang, tsambahan, sweltihan lang din talaga. Kaya yun. Syempre, when you buy a refurbished product, it comes with the risk na baka defective pa din siya or ma-encounter mo yung the same problem na na-encounter nung itong device na to ay nasa kamay pa ng ibang tao. But, yun nga, with the 40% na savings, I think I'm willing to take the risk alang-alang dun sa na-save kong amount. And yun, ano na lang, pagdadasal na lang natin kung papala rin tayo na mapatagal yung pag-aari natin dito sa unit na to. Anyway, so this is the camera. So this would be just a short vlog, so unboxing, and then discuss ko lang kung bakit ko napili itong action cam na to. I'll be using this as my, kumbaga yung aking permanent na vlogging camera. What I like about this is dalawa yung screens niya. So you have your front and back screens, which is perfect for vlogging kasi nakikita mo yung sarili mo when you're recording while using the main camera. So I think most vloggers would want a camera na merong screen sa harap para nakikita nila kung paano sila nagpo-project or ano itsura nila while shooting their videos. Also, ang nagustuhan ko rin dito sa camera na to is it shoots at 4K at HDR din siya. So for complex lighting situations, magandang gamitin ito, but I have to see pa pag ginamit ko na to if the HDR feature really works well. And if it does, I think this is a good steal already. Aside from those functions, the OSMO Action also has a Rocksteady feature in the absence of a 3-axis gimbal. So, kung i-compare mo siya kay Osmo Pocket, definitely, medyo, inferior siya. Kasi the Osmo Pocket has a built-in gimbal. But for this one, meron siya tinatawag na Rocksteady Function na nag-act na parang gimbal in such a way na masastabilize niya yung mga footages mo. So, I think that's a good addition to this camera. Another feature na na-research ko is the dewarp function. As we know, ang mga action cameras, mostly wide-angle sila or fisheye. Ang maganda kay Osmo Action is meron siyang tinatawag na dewarp function which straightens lines and angles when you're shooting videos or taking pictures. So, para matanggal yung fisheye effect. And also, one of the key features, obviously, of this camera is its size. It's only 124 grams for the unit itself. And then, mag-add ka lang ng mga iba-ibang accessories that go with it. So, siguro para mga less than 200-300 grams lang siya. Kasama na yung pole and all the accessories. So, sobrang handy niya, sobrang gaan, sobrang convenient gamitin pang vlog. Ayan, so aside from the camera, the unit comes with this parang plastic na ayan, protective case. What else? Let's check what's inside the box. So there's a smaller box inside, the main box, and this contains, ayan, meron tayong adhesive mount. you also get another adhesive mount. Oops. And the standard. So by the way, it's C-type yung kanyang port. So you have a C-type charger. You have a screw. And yeah, a manual inside. And you have this battery case which holds one battery. So according to my research, one fully charged battery would allow you to shoot 93 minutes of video, but using the Rocksteady function, it will allow you to record about 60 minutes of video, which is not bad. So I suggest na if you're gonna get an Osmo Action, you get spare batteries. Ayun, if you're a risk taker, so I suggest you go for a refurbished DJI unit. It comes with a warranty din naman, like the brand new ones. So kumbaga hindi ka naman talaga talo or lugi, no? They will still repair it, pero sabi nga dun sa website, if you bought a refurbished unit, definitely pag defective siya, hindi mo kasalanan, or damage siya na hindi mo kasalanan, they would replace it, but with another refurbished unit. So, ayun, I will let you know whether this unit actually works, and I will share with you my first few experiences in using this unit in my future videos. So I'll keep you posted. So that's it for this vlog. If you're considering in getting an action camera, so you can consider this, but yeah, you can wait for my next videos para makita nyo rin yung quality and kung mag-work nga perfectly ang isang refurbished unit from DJI. Thank you very much for watching. Again, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga upcoming videos natin. Once again, this has been Tarlaqueño Traveler. I'll see you on the next video.